व्हाइट बॉक्स एंड ब्लैक बॉक्स को सुनकर तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या आता है? व्हाट डू यू गेट इनटू योर माइंड व्हेन यू हियर व्हाइट बॉक्स एंड ब्लैक बॉक्स? ओके,
Testing the code is
I
black
don't
box.
want to know it.
White.
I don't want to know it in the technical aspects. I don't want to know in the technical aspects again. I just want to hear what's black box एंड व्हाट्स व्हाइट बॉक्स. व्हाइट बॉक्स और ब्लैक बॉक्स सुन के क्या तुम्हारे दिमाग में आता है? मुझे लेम लैंग्वेज में सुनना है. आई जस्ट वांट टू
Simple
हियर.
color, sir. Black box is covered and white box is it is open and visible.
Right. Okay, see, when you say black box, you cannot see transparently through this. Okay, you cannot see transparently through this. This is completely black. Okay, and when you are talking about a white box, that's transparent. You can see what's inside the box. Okay, you can see what's inside the box. Okay, and if I talk about black box, you cannot see what's inside the box. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood this. Similarly, white box testing is the testing where tester have the knowledge of the code. Okay, where tester have the knowledge of the code. Okay, and black box is the testing where tester do not have the knowledge of the code. Okay, tester just know what will be the input and this will be the expected output. Okay, this is the input and this will be the expected output. But but in white box there are special codes. We call it unit testing. Okay, we call it unit testing. This is basically performed by developers majorly in the organizations. This is white box testing. Okay, give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood what is white box testing and what is black box. This is also another famous interview question, guys. White box testing, all of the things we discussed today, whole class is completely from interview perspective. All answers were completely from interview perspective. Each and every topic we discuss is has a 80 more than 80% probability to come in an interview. Okay, SDLC, white box verification and validation, these have 95% probability of to be asked in an interview. Okay, so please prepare, frame your answers that your answers have the weightage. Okay, please read the interview tips and frame your answers accordingly that your answers have the weightage. Okay, let's read it once in the detail. Okay, so if I talk about white box, testing internal code structure and logic. Okay, this requires programming knowledge. Okay, and if I talk about black box, testing functionality without knowledge of internal code, does not require any coding knowledge. Inputs and outputs of the software is the focus. Okay, for white box testing example, checking whether a for loop execute correct number of times in the code. Okay, and if I talk about black box, testing if entering invalid login credentials shows the correct error message. Okay, okay, guys, so give me a thumbs up if every one of you understood today's lecture. We are done with today's concept. I have kept it short because these were important interview questions. Okay, these all of these 7 topics are important interview questions. So, okay, we are done for today's lecture. Uh, anything other than lectures, guys? Anything other than lecture you want to ask? Let me just stop the recording.